Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily link Printify on TikTok Shop. So all you have to do is of course create a TikTok business account. If you don't already have one, you can just sign up for a TikTok business account. Set up a TikTok Shop seller account, and to do this, just navigate to TikTok Shop page within the TikTok app or through your TikTok Seller Center and create your seller account. You're going to need to provide necessary information and go through their verification process. And next is you have to ensure that seller shipping is selected in your TikTok Shop account settings. Make sure you have selected the seller shipping option to avoid potential address related issues during the Printify connection. Then next is all you have to do is head over to Printify and log into your account and go to your Printify account dashboard. Next is navigate to store settings, click on manage my stores, then add a new store. Select add new store and choose TikTok Shop from the list of available platforms. Next is you will be redirected to TikTok to authorize the connection between Printify and your TikTok Shop. You'll likely need to select your North America seller account type, and next is just confirm the connection. Just follow the prompts to complete the authorization process. And once successful, your TikTok shop should be connected to your Printify account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!